tomato, basil, oil. We have reduced vinegar. We're just gonna put this on there, Tommy. We got nice fresh basil in here. Once we have these all loaded up, we'll dump the oil in on there. Do some Galabini cheese, prosciutto, the Parma. I'll do a little bit of juice on there. Wish I brought the thing up here. So, want to get some of the oil on there? Okay. Galabini mozzarella. A little bit of that. Make them happy. Make sure your hands are clean. Okay, I just washed my hands in the lake over here. Very clean water over there. JK, JK, okay. Good, little prosciutto di Parma. You want to fancy the top up a little bit there, Tommy?
Yeah.
Okay, you can get rid of some of those and I'll make the rest, whatever I can do over here. Okay, guys, enjoy. Okay? Hand a few around.
Go for it.
What do we got here? Where's the plate? I have no idea. You're on your own. You want to try one? Yeah, baby! The clowns are back! The clowns! Here comes the Foz on the scooter.
No way. Is it living up?